okay. We're sad.
Is he gonna bite my foot? Should I move my foot? Is he gonna bite my foot?
I don't think so.
I'm moving my feet. If he bites my feet, that's gonna hurt. I'm just gonna nonchalantly fold my legs. That was intense. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. I could shut off the mirror too.
Yeah, get both.
Get him, Apollo. Go get him. Oh shit. Does he know that the same movements are?
No, he has no self-realization.
Not yet.
Not yet, no.
You're backing down from yourself?
The other cat's backing down too. What's up with that?
I'm not worried about the other cat, I'm worried about him.